We are being joined in studio tonight by former U.S. Attorney for South Carolina Bill Nettles to talk about his reaction to the verdict.
Andrea Mock is standing by with Mr. Nettles. Andrea?
That's right, guys. Yes, former U.S. Attorney appointed by then President Obama, Bill Nettles. Thank you so much for giving us your time tonight.
Thank you for having me.
All right, obviously this is a very historic day, a former president being found guilty on 34 different counts. As a former U.S. prosecutor, just first question, what is your personal reaction to this news? Is this a day you ever thought you would see come?
Well, I mean, I didn't think I would ever see it come until about, what, 6-8 months ago. I feel like, I don't think it's a surprise that he got convicted. I thought the evidence was pretty clear. He lied on business records about having sex with a porn star while he was married. Yeah.
You and I were talking a little bit before the show, and you were saying, let's make it very clear. One of the actions was not illegal, although his wife would be very mad about it, but he was actually found guilty of something else. Explain that to our viewer who might not understand what these charges stem from or what it means to falsify business records.
Look, one of the cornerstones of democracy is, not democracy, but capitalism, is that you can trust business records. And so that's how you tell the health of a company, and that's the cornerstone of capitalism, which is very important in this country, right? And so it should be a very serious crime to lie on your business records, all right? So that's what he got convicted of, was lying on his business records. Now, it was a little bit more salacious than it happened to be because he had sex with a porn star while he was married and his wife had just had a baby. Now that, we could talk about the morality of that all day long. That's probably not illegal, but it is illegal to lie about expenses on your business records, and that's what he did.
Now, going forward, obviously, this is not the last legal challenge that he faces when we're talking about the case at the Supreme Court and whether or not he will be able to say that he has immunity from January 6th, from everything that happened and from interfering in the election. What do you think the future of that case will be? I have some personal beliefs on it, and I just hope that everybody will understand that one of the things about law is it's a precedent, and so you can't make special exceptions for somebody. So we can't have the Donald Trump exception. If we're going to say that the president is immune, then that's going to apply to all presidents going forward. And I don't know how comfortable everybody would be with the concept if they think about the fact that once the Supreme Court decides it, it becomes precedent. It gets to be applied to everybody going forward. And I would hope that'd make folks a little bit more uncomfortable. And last question, very quickly before we go. When he spoke to the public and he walked out of the courthouse, he said that the Biden administration was behind these charges. Can you break that down for the American people on what the truth is there?
Well, I don't know whether he realizes it or not, but he was in state court. Okay, so state court is not Biden and it's not Obama. That's state court. So he's got other court dates in federal courthouses. Okay, so I don't know whether he got confused about what courtroom he was in, but he was not in a federal courtroom. He was in a state courtroom. State courtrooms are not Biden.
All right, thank you so much, former U.S. Attorney Bill Nettles, for breaking it down for us, making it a little more palpable for everybody watching. JR?